For the tangent arc between the obtuse angles, it's going to be the same steps that we use for the acute angles. It's just a wider gap in between the lines. So I'm going to go ahead and label my lines A, B, C, D. And along, let's do CD. I'm just going to draw my distance that I'm going to draw my parallel lines at. And again, this distance is going to be your radius. So if you're told to draw something at a radius of 1, you would have to find 1 inches on a ruler, and this will be your distance that you draw your parallel lines at, and then your arc and all that. But for practice, we're just going to make up our own. Alright, so I have this distance that I want, so I'm just going to line up with point C just to kind of pick it up. Alright, and then I'm going to draw 2 points parallel to line CD and use that same distance to draw a parallel point from line A and B. And after I have these points, I'm just going to connect them using a straight edge. Then I'm going to find my intersection point that those parallel lines meet at. So here's it, and I'm going to name it point O. And at point O, just like we did on our acute angle, we're going to draw perpendicular lines from point O to line CD and AB. So you're going to get your 90-degree angle back out, and you're going to line up along line AB and line up with your intersection point, or point O. Just draw a straight line, line up with point O and the edge of line CD, just like that. So now you have 2 perpendicular lines. Then you're going to get your compass back out, line up with point O, and then your perpendicular point, and draw a line going to your other perpendicular point. Now we have 1 intersection line or point along line CD and 1 intersection point along line AB and an arc that connects them. So we have a tangent arc to line A, B, C, D, which are or create an obtuse angle.